Hello to my marketers and anyone else who needs a little bit of spreadsheet help. I'm Sarah from Marketing for Normal People, and I'm going to show you how to freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets. Freezing rows and columns just lets you easily see what row or column you're looking at, regardless of where you scroll, just like this. So here you can see that even if I scroll down, this top column is staying, and if I scroll to the side, these two columns right here are staying as well. And so to do this, it's really easy. We're going to go to this one where that's not the case. These are not staying. And so I want both a row and two columns to stay. And so I'm going to click right on the cell that's at the cross between where those where those rows and the row and those columns are. So if I click right here and then I go to view, I can go down to freeze, and then it gives me the option for the rows or the columns. And I'm just going to do this one at a time. So I'm going to say up to row 1 and then go to the same place again and up to column B. And that is it. It's literally that simple. So your data is now easier to see. If you want your spreadsheet to be even more organized, I cover how to alphabetize your data in this video right here. And as always, if you want our free marketing crash course where we cover the fundamentals of modern marketing that drive awareness, grow an audience, and get people to buy from you, go to marketingfornormalpeople.com or click or scan right here. And I'll see you next time.